to this brand new video on how to enable instant run on Android Studio, so that you don't need to, every time you launch or every time you make any change, you come here, you click okay to run your app. No, you just gonna come here and you click instant run. How to enable this instant run? So just go to Android Studio, you click preferences. From preferences, you go to built-in, because I've already done it. You go to build, execution, deployment. You click from there, and then from there you have to come down a little bit. You will find instant run. You click on instant run. From there you have to check all these 3 boxes: 1, 2, 3. Enable instant run to hot Swift code, resource change, and deploy default enable. So you have to uncheck. You have to check all these 3 boxes: 1, 2, 3. After that, you click OK. So from there, any change that you make during your work, you don't need to come here and click play. No, you don't need to do that. You just click instant run immediately. So it will boot and show everything successfully. After you clear instant run, you don't need to go and do anything again. So that is how you enable instant run. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Love and share this video, and subscribe to the channel for more video. Until then, see you guys.